Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to disable uh, add me by others on any telegram group. So it means that if you change the setting, it means no one can able to add you other groups on the telegram application until you want it. So open your telegram app. I'll show you how to do this thing. Telegram desktop, and click the three line tip left of corner on your screen. Click the settings and click the privacy and security, and here you can see the group and channel. So click here. It means who can add me to groups and channel. If you click nobody, it means no one can able to add you on any group or channel on telegram application. So simply click the save, and that's it. So this way you can change these settings. So complete today's normal, and see you in the next video.